Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showing you how to convert your Instagram business account to private. So guys, if you're using Instagram business account, a public account, and you want to make it private and you not be able to make your account private and facing this type of issue that business accounts can't be private. So guys, you can easily fix this problem and you can easily make your account private. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you will see here, scroll it below, and you can see here the option of business tools and controls. So guys, now you have to scroll it below. Here you can see the option of switch account type. So guys, you have to switch your account to creator account, because creator account and business account are same accounts as professional. So guys, these are both professionals accounts. So guys, you have to shift your account to creator, and guys, now I am going to check that. Now you can see still not fix your problem and still not be able to make your account private. So guys, no need to worry, you have to go back, and guys, now you have to switch account to personal account. And guys, after this you need to wait for some seconds, and you have to scroll it down. From here you have to open your privacy tab. So guys, simply you have to wait for some seconds, you have to make it private, and now you have to go back. And guys, after doing this you have to shift your account to professional and business account, and guys, already your private account will be turned on. So guys, this is simple way to fix your problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.